Ready for a remarkable transformation? I'm Marcus Omar Squires, and I'm breathing new life into this abandoned home on Wilcox Street in Petersburg, Virginia. Let's dive in. After completing extensive structural work within, my attention has now turned towards revitalizing the exterior. I embarked on this restoration by rejuvenating the aged window frames. Each stroke of fresh white paint breathes new life into the property, heralding a transformation in its appearance. I then painted the columns of the porch, but I will leave the porch's restoration for another video. The windows and siding have all been prepped, scraped, sanded, and even primed with different products such as wood fillers and other adhesives. Next, I take the pivotal step of retiring the weathered aluminum shutters. The removal of these time-worn fixtures symbolizes the commencement of this home's renaissance. Personally, I had originally planned to reinstall the aluminum shutters, but I actually like the home without the shutters. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I now move on with the meticulous application of paint to the eaves and the aluminum siding. I was very fortunate enough to actually paint this side of the house. The neighbor was able to move their car. I had put off painting this portion of the house as I was worried that I might splatter some paint on their car. Now, preparation is key. I begin by gently sanding the aluminum siding and the awning before applying the paint. As daylight yields to night, the house radiates in the moonlight, a metaphorical emblem of transformation and optimism for the future, here on Wilcox Street in Petersburg, Virginia. In my before and after presentation, the astounding metamorphosis is evident, a testament to the power of unwavering dedication and the support of my community here in Petersburg, Virginia. My gratitude extends also to my esteemed supporters on Facebook. Your unwavering belief in me and this endeavor has provided me with the moral support and energy needed to realize this transformation here on Wilcox Street.